Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we discuss about volcanism and global environmental change. Contents are volcanism, types of volcanoes, types of deposit, formation and behavior, distribution of volcanoes, prediction of volcanoes eruption, volcano herds, volcano advantages, and also its conclusions. Firstly, we discuss about volcanisms. What is volcanisms? Volcanisms is the phenomena of eruption of molten rocks, magma, onto the surface of earth. Volcanic eruptions occur when the molten lava reach the surface of the earth. So what is volcanic process? In volcanic process, magma rise and collects in magma chamber. Eventually, some of the magma pushes through vents and fissures to the earth's surface. All the volcanic related processes that happen on volcanic landform. Aspects of volcanisms. First one is earthquake and the second one is volcano. How does a volcano cause an earthquake? An earthquake is the result of a sudden release of energy in the earth's crust that create seismic waves. Vibration generated by the movement of magma or other fluids within a volcano cause earthquake. Pressure within the system increases and the surrounding rock fails, creating small earthquakes. What is seismic activity? The answer is that the seismic activity of an area referred to frequency, type and size of earthquake experienced over a period of time. The volcanic seismic activity is a type of earthquake caused by movement of magma deep within the earth, which is different from other earthquakes that are caused by sudden movement of earth along a fault system. Volcanic earthquakes are usually of low magnitude and become more frequent prior to eruption and due to rising lava and magma beneath active volcano. Now, what are the effects of volcanic earthquake? Shaking and ground rupture. Ground shaking is caused by body wave and surface waves. Volcanic earthquakes often trigger landslides, causing significant damage. Ground shaking greatly increases the likelihood of landslides where landscape is susceptible to these type of ground failure. And the next one is soil liquefaction. Liquefaction is not a type of ground failure. It is a physical process that takes place during some earthquakes that may lead to ground failure. Tsunami are water waves that are caused by sudden vertical movement of a large area of the sea floor during an undersea earthquake. Tsunami are often called tidal waves. Tsunami are giant waves caused by sudden shift in the sea floor, often due to earthquake or underwater volcanic activity. Now moving on, next effect of earthquake is flood. Flood is a type of natural disaster that can cause heavy destruction to life and property. Earthquake-induced damage to levees, dikes can also lead to flooding of a river, natural flood plains. Now, what are the states of volcanoes? Volcanoes can be active, dormant, and extinct. Firstly, we discuss active volcanoes. Volcano is active or alive if at the present time it is expected to erupt. Kilauea is one of the most active volcano on the earth. Kilauea volcano is located along the southern east shore of Hawaii Island. Kilauea volcano is a currently hyperactive shield volcano in the Hawaiian island. Kilauea, one of the most active of 5 volcanoes that together form the island of Hawaii. which has been erupting since 1983. Now moving on, next volcano is the dormant volcano. Volcano is dormant or sleeping, that is not erupting or predicted to erupt in future. Mauna Kea is a volcano which is located on Big Island, and its last eruption took place 3500 to 4000 years ago. However, scientists believe that it will erupt again in future. Mauna Kea is a dormant volcano on the island of Hawaii, standing 4200 meters above sea level. Moving on, next, extinct volcano. A volcano is extinct or dead that no one expect will have ever another eruption. Extinct volcano example is Kohala volcano. Kohala volcano located on Hawaii Island. The last time Kohala eruption was close to 6000 years ago. Scientists believe that Kohala volcano will never be active again in future. Types of volcanoes. Classification of volcanoes is done on the basis of shapes, magnitude, structure and materials of different volcanoes. Also the way these volcanoes erupt. Geologists generally grouped volcanoes into different kinds. Types of volcanoes. There are 4 different types of volcanoes: shield volcanoes, composite, cinder cones and lava domains. Shield volcanoes. Shield volcanoes are very big in size. Shield volcanoes shaped like a bowl with long genital slopes made by the lava flows. If the magma is running, the gas can escape easily and there will not be an explosion, like shown in this picture. Shield volcanoes, the magma just comes out of the mountain, flows down the sides. That is why they are not much dangerous. Mauna Loa volcano, the world's largest volcano. Mauna Loa volcano is the largest active volcano on the planet. Fluid flows, high temperature, low silica shield volcano is less viscous, so its flow much more easily. For this reason, the eruption of shield volcano are non-explosive. Mauna Loa volcanoes are flat mount. The most recent eruption of Mauna Loa was in 1984. Moving on, next, composite volcanoes. Lava and proclastic deposits, also known as stratovolcano. Composite volcanoes are tall cone-shaped volcano. It is made of alternating layers of lava and ash. Composite volcanoes are active over long period, 10 to hundreds of thousands of years, and erupt periodically. If the magma is thick and sticky like honey, the gas cannot escape, so it builds up and until it explodes, sending out huge clouds of burning rocks and gas. They can range from 1 to 10 km in diameter. Cinder cone volcano. Cinder cone are the simplest type of volcano. These are the most common type of volcano. Cinder cone volcanoes, circular and oval cones built from erupting lava that breaks into small pieces as small pieces fall back to ground. Cinder cone volcanoes usually mildly to moderately explosive because usually they have low explosive content. low viscosity and low volatile content of magma. Pericutin in Mexico. Pericutin that was present in Mexico having single opening. The opening of a cinder cone is a cone-shaped structure, while the steeps are formed of the erupted fragments, cinder that fall close to chimney. The Pericutin volcano is unique in fact that its evolution from creation to extinction was witnessed. Last eruption take place in 1952. Lava domains volcano. Lava domains are formed when eruption lava is too thick to flow and makes a steep-sided mount as the lava piles up near the volcanic vent. Examples of lava domain volcano is Kulit volcano. Kulit volcano that was present in Indonesia. Lava domains are formed when the lava is too viscous to flow to a distance, so it continues pile within. As the lava dome keeps growing, the outer surface starts to cool down and become hardened. When a lava dome is grown to a significant extent, it shatters the outer surface. Now moving volcanic deposits. First one is lava. Results of material like rock and gases emitted from a volcanic eruption. Lava having hot temperature up to 1200 degrees centigrade. Fluid molten that rocks that flows along the land surface. Magma formation. Magma is a mixture of molten or semi-molten rock, volatiles and solids that is found beneath the surface of the earth. Hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel.